let's make some Oyakodon. We'll start off our recipe by chopping up a couple of onions, garlic, and chicken. Oyakodon is a type of Donburi, usually consisting of some kind of vegetables and meat served on top of rice with a savory and sweet sauce. Then we'll mix together the sauce with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of honey, and then we'll let the chicken marinate and seep in the flavor for 30 to 40 minutes. We'll then beat together 4 to 5 eggs, depending on how much chicken you have, but not all the way. Oyakodon, meaning parent and child bowl, was first mentioned back in a restaurant in Kobe in 1884. It has various variations like tanindon and katsudon, which have appeared throughout anime history, usually in detective shows like the Detective Conan, as well as any type of interrogation scene. Once the chicken is mostly cooked, add in your eggs and take them on and off the heat, almost like a nice soft scrambled egg. Add in 1 extra yolk for that presentation if you so desire, and garnish with green onions. It's a nice filling meal and it doesn't require a ton of time. Enjoy!